To lubricate a squeaky door hinge, purchase a silicone or lithium-based lubricant. With the door open, locate the pin that holds the hinge together and carefully pull it out using pliers. Clean any old grease and grime off the hinge pin, then coat it with a thin layer of your lubricant. Apply some of the lubricant to the hinge as well. When you're done, push the hinge pin back into the hinge and test the door to make sure it's working smoothly. Wipe away any excess lubricant with a clean rag or paper towel. For extra stubborn, rusty, or grimy hinges, you may need to soak the hinge with a penetrating lubricant spray and let it sit for a few hours before you can remove the pin. Then, gently push the pin out of the hinge by tapping it with a screwdriver. If the pin is very rusty or bent, you may need to sand it down or straighten it with a hammer before putting it back in the hinge.